Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia, and just driving down the LIE, and some of you may notice that I'm a former police officer, Highway Patrol, and what's pretty funny is that I'm just driving home, and there's a pretty cool car, a Camaro Z28 that I used to drive, the 961 car. Drove it once in a while. I used to drive my regular sector car. It's in front of us. I want you guys to check this out. The Suffolk County Police Department uses it now as for a car show and to promote community relations. But this car I literally drove a few times. It was very uncomfortable, but for patrol. But check it out. So it's I believe it's a '93 Z28, if I remember right. First year it came out. They put it into service. There it is in front of us. It's pretty awesome. Before that, they had the 5.0 LX, and Officer Mike Vanschnider used to drive it. And then we got this car now for a while. They upgraded it with the chrome rims. Used to have that Z28 Camaro rims. I have some chrome rims on to give it a little bling. But I'm going to try to catch up to him. I think he's going after a guy on a bike. Bike just went by us pretty quick, but there it goes. Get a nice side shot of it coming up. Cut me off at the Sentra. I'll go around them. Try to catch up to Camaro. You guys see this Camaro? It's pretty nice, guys. Here we go. Check it out. It's probably going back to headquarters, just in Yaphank. But there it is, Suffolk County Police Department, 961 Highway Patrol car. It's pretty awesome. Maybe we could, I get to do a walk around with it, but yeah, so guys, like and share my videos. I have over 400 videos. I got some Tri-5 Chevys, the 1955 Chevys. I got Fords, I got Mustangs. I got so many different videos on my channel. Classic cars, muscle cars, classic European cars. Every day we're looking for cars, but I just wanted to film that 961 car back there, and I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Stay positive and look for more classic cars.